Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have decided to start a new series on our channel. In this series, we'll be basically giving you technology updates on daily basis. So, if you're interested in such stuff, do subscribe to our channel. The name of the series is gonna be Tech Today. So, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends if you like it. So let's get into our video without wasting any time. Let's move on to our first update. It's from ISRO. Recently, there was a cyber attack on ISRO by the Chinese hackers. Though these guys failed in hacking into our systems, it is quite a dangerous thing which is going on nowadays. Anyone can hack into any system. So, guys, please take care of your devices. Don't share any kind of passwords to anyone, no matter what happens. It's for your safety. Stay safe. Moving on to our next update, it's from Realme. Realme is gonna be launching its Realme 7i on 7th of October. This phone will have a 64 megapixel primary sensor and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which will have a 5000 mAh monster battery, and it will come with a Snapdragon 662 processor. Looking at its specs, it is quite a decent phone. Let's see what Realme is gonna be doing with this phone. Let's move on to the next update, which is from Google Meet. Google is rolling out its noise cancellation feature for Google Meet for Android and iOS. This feature automatically filters out the background noise for your device input while letting your voice go through. This will be quite a helpful update for the people who are taking online classes in their mobile phones. This feature was launched in desktops in June, and hope this is gonna perform good even in mobile phones.
The next news is about TikTok. It is a good news for TikTokers in the US. They can continue to download TikTok app from app stores from now on. A US federal court judge has granted a reprieve to TikTok app which was going to face a ban on Sunday. Last week WeChat too dodged an app ban in the US which would have imposed restriction on users downloading the app. The next update is about OnePlus Nord N10 5G. OnePlus has released a new teaser on Instagram of the rumored OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and it seems that the wait for this new phone might not be far too long. As per rumors abuzz in the market, OnePlus Nord 10 may get released later this year at an approximate price of $400. Various leaks in the past have suggest that the phone is set to come packed with a 6.49-inch Full HD display at a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The next update. Young smartphone users in India have always demanded high performance devices. Samsung understands this technique requirement and has collaborated with Flipkart to help bring you a brand new smartphone series. Samsung will soon bring its new Galaxy F series to the world, starting with the Galaxy F41 smartphone in India. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy F41 will be loaded with features that most young smartphone users need to live their life to the fullest. The Galaxy F series promises a full-on experience in performance, style or cameras. Galaxy F41 will be an ultimate mobile device for young generation. The next update. Three of Apple's Incorporation's top contract manufacturers plan to invest a total of almost 900 million in India in the next 5 years to tap into a new production linked incentive plan, according to two sources familiar with the matter. Foxconn, Wistron, and Pegatron all plan to make investments under the scheme, said the sources, who asked not to be named as the discussions are private. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.